Why do many people get this question wrong? You will find out now. Now, to solve this question, we are to use the PEMDAS or BODMAS rule. They are both the same. So, we have PEMDAS, which means that we have to solve the parentheses first. That is, we have to solve what we have in the bracket first. Now, let's do that. This means we have, let's simplify this. Note that when you are solving anything that has division and multiplication, you have to solve from left to right. That means when we are saying 8 divided by 2 times 2, you have to solve from left to right. This is one of the reasons why many people get questions like this wrong, because they multiply before they divide. And if you multiply before you divide, that means you'll be having 8 divided by 4. This will give 2, and it is wrong. Instead, the right way to solve it is to solve from left to right. That means 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 will give 4 before you then multiply. So we have 8 divided by 2 to be 4, and then we say 4 times 2, that gives 8. It means that what we have in the bracket here has been simplified to 8. Now let's write the question out again. So that here now we have 9 plus 24 divided by 8, since we've simplified what we have in the bracket. Now let's move to the next stage. Don't forget, our rule says we have to divide. Divide appears, multiplication and division appear before addition and subtraction. So we have to divide before we add. So this means we have 9 plus 24 divided by 8 would give what? That will give 3. So 9 plus 3 will give 12. So now you know why many people get this question wrong. I hope you are not one of them. And if you are, I hope you now understand that you have to solve from left to right so you will not get it wrong. If you like questions like this, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more.